Nowadays, banks and other financial institutions are required to assess environmental impact when offering green loans. However, this evaluation process requires extensive financial computations, templates, and formulas. So, the right software is the best way to efficiently manage this process. Hello and welcome to another installment of VOLO project Playbook. In today's episode, we're going to focus on green loan assessment application, which we have developed in partnership with one of our esteemed partners, ProCredit Holding, which is a prominent figure among European financial institutions. Among other things, they are dedicated to advancing green finance to promote a more sustainable future for generations to come. Now let's hear more about the success journey of the project firsthand from the key players of the team.
ProCredit had felt the need for a green loan assessment application ever since 2019. At first, they were managing just fine with Excel, not only for information storage, but also for impact calculations with various formulas. However, with the time, it became increasingly difficult. As the data volume and complexity for the Excel templates were rising, the data from the green loans kept accumulating, and the new hires were having a really tough time to figure out the ins and outs of the Excel tool. Finally, when all of this became too much, ProCredit decided to take some measures and to find a software solution that make the process faster, more efficient, and most importantly, be secure and user-friendly. They were looking for several key features: data collection, analysis and calculations, reporting, and customization. The market research results were not satisfactory. The third-party solutions didn't quite fit their needs because they were too expensive, not customizable enough, difficult to handle, and not fully automated. This is when ProCredit decided to build their own green loan assessment application. The application would digitize the existing Excel tool, which was designed to collect, analyze, and report the key information for the green loans and to calculate the impact of the finance measure.
A key factor in the success of the project was providing the business discovery services to the client, the outcome of which to provide to the client full documentation, software requirement specification, prototype of all major flows, and of course the project proposal with the roadmap. While VOLO offers different types of the business discovery services, we chose the extended one for two reasons. First, it is ideal for the clients who know their business need, however don't know the details of the implementation. In our case, ProCredit Holding knew exactly what they want. They already had working models, business models, and the processes. However, our goal was to provide the implementation details, the scope, the specification of the digitalization of their working models. And second, this was a fixed-price project with quite a strict timeline. And the SRS was a perfect solution to provide in-depth scope details, both functional and technical. And this gave an opportunity to the client to see the result they would receive after the project implementation within the provided timeline. The initially conducted discovery sessions laid a solid foundation for the smooth development of the project. The development was done within two phases. First phase was completed within the budget and on time, without any delays. And you understand what a rare phenomenon it is to provide a project on time without any delays in the world of software development.
For the second phase, ProCredit wanted to make their application customizable. They wanted to add the admin panel to be able to add and adjust green measures and calculation model. As Yepa already mentioned, one of the deliverables of the BA discovery was the SRS document, with the corresponding specifications for Phase 1 and Phase 2. However, the specifications for the Phase 2 were not clearly defined by the bank. Thanks to VOLO expertise, we were able to help our client to come up with the best approach for the configurable tool. Together, we were able to create a customizable and secure green loan assessment application and enable our users easily and accurately calculate the environmental impact of finance measure.
Our consulting expertise, coupled with our experience in delivering custom software applications in the financial industry, and helped us deliver a solution that met the high expectations of our partner. If you are looking to digitize your business processes with the help of custom software and find yourself in budgetary or time constraints, you can get in touch with our team of consultants who will gladly provide you with an initial consultation free of charge. Thank you for joining us in this episode of VOLO Project Playbook, and we'll see you in the next one.